Do you have a boyfriend?
사장님, 어디 가요?
So, what is your personality?
I think I am an ambivert person. When you say ambivert, it's sometimes you're outgoing, and sometimes
you're not.
You're
You
not.
just wanted to be alone.
Yeah, wanted to be alone. Sometimes you stay at home, you don't want to talk to anybody, and sometimes you want to be with friends, and you want to hang out and talk to them. It's like that.
Moody. 네, moody person.
But moody person is in
It's
a bad way.
different. In a good way, different way.
Different way.
That's it. So, what is your dream?
When I was young, I wanted to be an architect, I wanted to be a lawyer, I wanted to be a flight attendant.
So many. Oh, that's
So
my dream
many.
also.
Yeah, so many. But when I grow old at this age, all I wanted to be is to be happy.
Wisdom words.
No, joking.
Joking.
I already I've already been through my dreams, but I think it doesn't complete me. So this time I just wanted to be an entrepreneur. Yeah, I wanted to build a business and just run a business and make it grow.
Same with mine. It's my dream also to be a flight attendant. That's your work, right? And my dream also is to build a business someday. I'm happy. Oh my god.
But it's not easy.
Nah, I know.
No pain.
No pain, no gain.
Oh.
I need to study and be flight attendant. My dream. So, do you have a boyfriend?
I don't have a boyfriend.
Why? You're beautiful.
It's because I've been through not good relationship from the past.
Oh my,
I'm just
sorry.
preparing for the future now. Because yeah, that's it.
But what is your ideal type of man?
For us Filipinos, we don't basically, I mean, appearance is not so important.
It
for
doesn't
us.
matter to
Yeah,
us.
it doesn't matter.
It's
What matters most is personality. And then
From the heart.
yeah,
Yeah.
the heart, if he really loves you, if he cares for you, and also
To his family also.
yeah, for his family. Because we Filipinos, family is very important than any other things, right? So if a man loves his family so much,
you will
then he is a real man for me. Yeah.
It doesn't matter. Taller, appearance.
Yeah, it
Appearance
doesn't matter.
doesn't matter.
Yeah, appearance doesn't
How
matter.
about age?
Age gap.
Age
In
gap.
Philippines also age doesn't matter. Right?
Nah.
Really?
Also in the Philippines, when we make friends, old people, young people, it's okay to merge, right?
Leia, you lost your job because of
Yes.
COVID, right?
Yes.
Sometimes visit here and spend time with Mika.
Sure, I would love to.
I love to also.
She's lonely every day.
Oh,
That's
so
true.
sad.
And
Adeline is
together-
not here.
And together study Korean.
Oh!
I would like to study Korean.
Uh,
Actually, I've studied Korean through YouTube.
Just
And I
watching.
read my paper.
Just
Writing.
watching. Just watching. Copying the pronunciation sa atin. You teach to
Got
us.
you.
Got you.
사장님, 어디 가요?
레이 언니 집에.
오늘 우리 네 언니 만나요?
좋아?
네, 많이 좋아요.
가자.
가자. Let's go. 사장님, let's go. Let's go.
미카야,
네,
레이 언니 좋아?
많이 좋아해요.
많이 좋아?
많이 좋아해요.
오늘 레이 언니가 김치볶음밥 만들어줄 거야.
정말요?
근데 너 김치볶음밥 싫어하잖아.
네, 싫어요. 근데 먹어볼래요.
근데 먹어볼 거야.
먹어볼래요.
그래, 가자.
가자.
안녕.
안녕.
준비했어? Are you ready?
Are you ready to cook?
Are you ready to cook?
Are you ready to cook?
레이야, Are you ready to cook?
Ready.
오케이, 가자.
가자.
레이야, 뭐 사야 돼? First? Rice?
White rice.
가자. Looking for rice first. 일단 have to.
Can be na? It's okay.
자, next.
Kimchi. Where? I think
김치를
there.
김치를 찾아라. 스몰인데?
This one?
이글
I agree.
김치.
Is it a kimchi or leaf kimchi?
김치. Done? And then 김치랑 rice.
네.
The
그러면-
next is green onion.
그린 오니언?
Green onion.
가자. 레이야, next. What?
Next is
고추장.
고추장.
or chili paste.
리카야, chili paste. Looking for chili paste. 가자.
This or this?
I think
이거는 된장이야. 이건 된장. 이거는 고추장.
고추장. This one.
리카야, 익을 수 있잖아. 참기름.
I don't
You
know
can
which
leave.
one sesame oil.
This one. Sesame oil.
아니야, 이거는 고추 맛
Sesame oil.
스파이시고.
This? Sesame
right.
oil. 진한.
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 뭐 읽어봐. 진한.
참기름.
그래, 그.
Yeah,
Do
good.
you want spicy in kimchi bokkeumbap?
Spicy.
I like
If we want
spicy.
spicy, we need red pepper powder.
Red pepper powder.
고춧가루.
고춧가루.
오케이.
But if not needed, it's okay.
매워요. 매워요.
We love spicy.
매워요.
소리.
소이빈 어떠기? 소이빈 oil?
오일.
This one? Or this one?
어떤 게 좋은지 모르겠다, 나도.
Corn
Which
oil.
one is better? 이거를 에이야, 뭐 사야 돼?
Only.
전?
White rice kimchi, green onion, pork, gochujang, red pepper powder,
Check.
sesame oil.
Check.
Is this really green onion?
네네.
Green.
Onion leaves.
In Philippines,
Onion
very
leaves.
small.
Oh,
onion
curry,
leaves.
curry onion leaves.
And?
Philippines only. Only.
전?
That's it. Done.
Are you sure? 가자.
가자.
키친 헬퍼 미카, 셰프 레이. 레이야, 뭐 만들 거야? What
And
will you
today
cook
I
for
will
us?
cook kimchi bokkeumbap or
Kimchi.
kimchi fried rice.
For 미카.
For Mika.